Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this butterfly. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. After slip knot, we are done with the slip knot. Now after slip knot, we will be making chain crochet stitches, 6 chain crochet stitches. Once we are done with our chain crochet stitches, we will join our first and last stitch with the slip stitch. So we get a small tiny bit circle in between. See, here we are joining our first stitch and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So like we are getting a small tiny bit circle in between. See this circle. Now we will make a set of 2 double crochet stitches, and those double crochet stitches we will be making by each time passing our needle from inside that circle. Okay, so that way we are making 2 double crochet stitches followed by 2 chain crochet stitches. Okay, so this is one set and we have to make total 8 sets. So it will be like 2 double crochet stitches followed by 2 chain crochet stitches, again 2 double crochet stitches followed by 2 chain crochet stitches. So like in total 8 times we have to do it. Okay, and each time, as you can see, I am passing my needle from inside that circle. These are the 2 chain crochet stitches. Now see, I'll be passing my needle inside that circle and then grabbing my yarn and pulling through. Same way I have to make double crochet stitches. Okay, so in total I'm making 8 sets of 2 double crochet stitches followed by 2 chain crochet stitches. I'll just complete this and show it to you. Here I have completed our first round. Now to complete that round, I will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Sorry for all the background noise, my kid is playing. So here I join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now once this is done, now we will change our yarn. We will take another color. Now to join another color or another yarn, try to keep 2 loops on the needle. So we will take one more loop on a needle. And we will just cut this yarn and we will take new yarn now. New color yarn, whatever color you want to take. Now see, now we will pull this new yarn from those 2 loops. And now we will make a chain stitch, chain crochet stitch. Okay. Now see, these 2 chain crochet stitches we have made in after every 2 double crochet stitches. Now we will make triple crochet stitches around them. Okay. See, I'm showing you quite slow. Even though you have any issue or you want to see the tutorial, link is already given in description. I have already placed a tutorial video, very slow as usual with written instructions and very easy to understand. So please follow tutorial, you will understand it very well. Okay, so now we will make 10 triple crochet stitches from around those 2 chain crochet stitches. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, here I am done with my 10 triple crochet stitches. Now I will join my last stitch with a stitch in between the two double crochet stitches with a slip stitch. See, this is the way I'll be joining it. This is the first wing of my butterfly. As you know, we have made 8 groups of 2 double crochet stitches followed by 2 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now in first group of 2 chain crochet stitches, we have taken 10 triple crochet stitches. In second also we will do again 10 triple crochet stitches. Okay, this is for first 2. Then in third and fourth we will make 10 double crochet stitches. 10 double crochet stitches. This is for third and fourth. Then fifth and sixth we will make again 10 triple crochet stitches. In every alternate 2 we will be making 10 triple crochet stitches and 10 double crochet stitches. Okay, so these are like the upper wings and lower wings of the butterfly. So upper wings are supposed to be bigger one, so that's why we are taking triple crochet stitches, and lower wings are quite small, so we are taking 10 double crochet stitches. Okay, I'll just complete this complete round and I'll show you. Till then, who have not subscribed my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, I'll request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. And who have already subscribed, thanks a lot. Thank you so much. See, this I've completed with 2 set of 10 triple crochet stitches. Now I will make 2 set of 10 double crochet stitches. Okay, so it is like 2 set of 10 triple crochet stitches, then 2 set of 10 double crochet stitches, then again triple crochet and again double crochet. It should come one opposite to other. I'll just complete it and I'll show you. See, I've completed this complete round and this is how it looks. It actually looks like a flower. Okay, now 2 set of triple crochet stitches is up, 2 are down, and 2 set of double crochet stitches, one in left, one at right. So they are coming like opposite. Okay, now we will join another yarn. Again, keep 2 loops on your needle. Pull the yarn from those 2 loops, make a chain crochet. Okay, now we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch all round the butterfly project, all round that crochet project. Okay, 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. I'll complete this and I'll show you. See, this is how it looks. Now we will give it a shape of a butterfly. We will just fold it. Now how we will fold it? While folding, we will keep one set of triple crochet, two set of double crochet and one set of triple crochet at one side in front. Okay, and other goes, and the same set goes in the back side. Okay, so like two upper wings are bigger, two bigger upper wings are there and two smaller lower wings are there. Okay, now just make a chain crochet. Take a black color, try to take black or any color if you want. I'm taking black. We will just make the butterfly, middle part of the butterfly, and make 12 chain crochet stitches. Place them in between and all around the butterfly and join the first and last stitch with the slip stitch. And keep those end two threads quite long, so like they are those, what do we say, they are those antennas of the butterfly, and you can decorate it, put anything at the end. Like I will be placing two pearls at the end, so like if you want to keep anything, keep it, or else leave it like that also, then also it looks good. Okay, so we have completed a butterfly over here. I'll show you final piece. See, this is how a butterfly looks. Crochet butterfly keychain. Just put a keychain around it. So it is very simple. Please, if you like the video, like, comment, share, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.